This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2021 Toyota Highlander maintenance light. Start with the vehicle off and the key fob present, then press the start button twice to power the dash. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate to the odometer and trip settings, find the maintenance reset option, and follow prompts to confirm. I will narrate each press clearly, so you can follow along step by step. In this video, I will show how to reset the 2021 Toyota Highlander maintenance light. With the dash on, use the left cluster buttons to highlight the odometer and enter the vehicle settings menu. Scroll to the maintenance or scheduled maintenance section, select the reset option, and press and hold OK until you see confirmation. Release the button and verify the maintenance light has turned off before turning the engine off or driving. In this video, I will show how to reset the 2021 Toyota Highlander maintenance light. If the light does not clear, power cycle the ignition and repeat the steps slowly, ensuring you hold OK long enough. Confirm the odometer is displayed and not a trip meter, and replace the key fob battery if the dash will not stay on. If the indicator remains after multiple attempts, seek professional diagnosis at a service center for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.